Welcome, in front of me is a Nubia Z60S Pro, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now before I get started, I'm going to also quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. And all you would need to do, no matter if your device is locked or unlocked, is just hold the power button and ignore Google Assistant, as it will open up by default, and then you get the pop-up of the boot controls. So we're gonna select power off, give it like 5 seconds, and start holding power button and volume up at the same time. Now you can let go of the power button once you see the Nubia logo. And when you see the recovery mode, you can also let go of the volume up. Next, select wipe data by just simply tapping on it. And then factory reset. Reset. Data wipe complete. So now we're going to select back to previous page. Reboot system. And this will bring us back to Android, or more precisely to the setup screen of the device after the reset has been completed. As the reset will take a couple of minutes to finish up, or possibly like a minute here, so you might need to wait a little bit longer than you normally do for the device to boot back up. Anyway, I'm gonna let it run through, finish up the reset, and come back once it's finished. And there we go, you can see that the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.